Hi students, welcome to second standard maths class. In previous class what we saw? We saw the addition sums with a carryover. The normal addition sum, the one digit addition sum means it is very easy for you. You have already learned about the one digit addition sums in first standard also. It is very easy for you. But carryover means if the question will be asked, there are two numbers given means you have to write the two numbers and put the ones column and tens column. First you know the place value of two digit numbers. Okay, I already taught you that, and carryover sums also I already taught you that. But first put the ones column and tens column. Okay, addition means first we consider the ones column. If you add the ones column, the two numbers, you get the answer in two digit means you have to know the place value for the answer. Okay, first put the ones place answer in ones column answer place and keep it the tens place value in upper side of the tens column. Okay, in tens column there are two numbers here. You have to keep one number, so there are three numbers here. Okay, so you add the three numbers, okay, together and you get a total. The total is called the answer. Okay, this is called carryover sums. Okay, I hope all are clear about the carryover sums. Okay, today we are going to see the second lesson, the same second lesson, numbers, the story sums. Okay, today we are going to see the topic is story sums. You already know the story sums in first term also. Okay, you known about, very well known about story sums with one digit numbers or two digit numbers, no carryovers. Okay, in this lesson you are going to learn the story sums with carryover addition. Okay, it is also very easy, so listen carefully. Okay, moving on to the story sums. Okay, first in story sums means I already told you that first you carefully read the question and understand the meaning of the question. Okay, in each word you have to understand very well the correct meaning, in the correct meaning. Okay, if you get the meaning in wrong means you are going to do the sum wrong. It is very wrong. Okay, so you first understand the question very well with the correct meaning. Okay, see the first sum. A vegetable seller, okay, a vegetable seller packs 72 cauliflowers. Okay, cauliflowers on the first day. Which day? First day. Okay, and 18 cauliflowers on the second day. Which day? Second day. Okay, find the total number of cauliflowers packed on 2 days. Okay, first you listen the question carefully, first understand the meaning. Okay, a vegetable seller, there is a vegetable seller, he packs 72 cauliflowers. Okay, in his shop he has cauliflowers and he packed 72 cauliflowers in first day. In first day he packed 72 cauliflowers. Okay, on the second day he packed 18 cauliflowers. Okay, in the question they are asking find the total number of cauliflowers packed on 2 days. There are first day and the second day, you have to find the total number of cauliflowers in these 2 days. Okay, total, the word total given in the question means that is the addition story sum. Okay, that is called addition story sum. Total, the word total is given in question means that is the addition story sum. Okay, first you point out some words in the story sum. Okay, story sums means it contains some points. You have to write the points in the answer. Okay, it is not a normal addition sum. If normal addition means you put only the numbers and add the numbers. Okay, story sums means you have to write some words belongs to the question. Okay, the words are belongs to the question only. Okay, in question only you have to write the words. Okay, you have to write the spelling correctly, then only you get the full mark. If you write the spelling wrong means the mark will be minus. Okay, so write carefully. Okay, see the answer. In first day how many cauliflowers? 72. So write in first day 72 cauliflowers there are. Second day how many cauliflowers? 18 cauliflowers. So we write 18. Okay, you have to find the total. Total means addition, so we add these two numbers. First we add these two numbers, we get a total. The total is the answer for this sum. Okay, I already told you that addition means first consider the ones column. Okay, first consider the ones column. First add these two numbers, 2 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? 10. Okay, the answer is 2 digit. The answer is 2 digit. First you put the ones place answer in ones column. This is called ones column and this is called tens column. Okay, first you put the ones place answer in ones column answer place 0 and put the tens place in upper side of the tens column. This is the tens column. You put this in upper side of the tens column and round it. Okay, and you have to now here in tens column there are 3 numbers. You have to add this 3 numbers together. You get a total. The total is called the answer. Okay, first keep it 1 in your mind, 7 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what we get? Adding these two numbers 1 and 7 we get 8. Keep 8 in middle of the two numbers, given two numbers. Okay, and add this 8 and 1, another two number. Keep 8 in your mind, 1 in your finger. 8 in your mind, 1 in the finger. 8 after 9, 8 after 9, so 90. What is the answer? Keep these two numbers. Okay, add these two numbers. What is the answer? 90. Don't tell 9 is the answer. Okay, this is the two numbers are also the answer. Okay, so 90 is the answer of first question. Okay, so you have to write last like this. Okay, therefore the symbol, the three dots are called therefore. So total number of cauliflowers, total number of we add these two numbers, we get a total. The total is called the answer. So total number of cauliflowers. In question they are asking how many are total. These two words are addition. Okay, these two words are given means these two words are the clue for addition. Okay, the two words are given means you are going to add the two numbers. Okay, we are adding the two numbers and we get the total. The total is 90. So in the 2 days there are 90 cauliflowers packed by the vegetable seller. So the answer is 90. The answer is 90. Okay, this is the story sum. Okay, I hope all are clear about that. See the second sum. An ice cream parlor. I hope all are like the ice cream very well. Okay, an ice cream parlor sells 28 ice creams on Monday. 28 ice creams on Monday. 28 ice creams on Monday and 53 ice creams on Tuesday. Okay, how many ice creams does it sell in 2 days? You have to find how many. I already told you that how many total are the clue words for addition story sum. Okay, in the question contain how many total means there is no doubt that is a addition story sum. You have to do the addition with the given numbers and words. Okay, story sums means in the question there are some points are given. You have to write the answer belongs to the question given words. Okay, see the answer. Monday. In Monday how many ice creams he sell? 28 ice creams. So we write 28. And Tuesday how many ice cream he sell? 53. So write 28 and 53. Monday, Tuesday. We are going to add these two numbers and we get a total. So addition means first consider the ones column and keep 8 in your mind, 3 in the finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11. The answer is 2 digits. So put the ones place answer in ones column answer place and keep the tens place in tens upper side of the tens column. Okay, upper side of the tens column. Okay, and add these three numbers. First consider 1 and 2. Keep 1 in your mind, 2 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3. Keep 3 in the middle of these two numbers and 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 is the answer for tens column. The total answer is 81. 81. You are adding these two numbers. Okay, 81. Okay, the answer is 8 and 1. So we call 81. So the ice cream parlor he sells 81 ice cream in 2 days. Okay, what's the answer? Total number of ice creams. In last you have to write therefore total number of ice cream is 81. Okay, I hope all are clear about the story sums. This is the story sums. Okay, I will teach you two sums. Next I will give the homework for you. Today homework is you have to do the story sum. Okay, you have to do the story sum. I will give you one story sum. See the question. in a library, okay, in a library there are 36 books in English row and 24 books in max row. Total find the total number of books in English and max row. You have to find how many books are there in English and max row. So you add these two numbers. The word total are given in the question, okay, the word total are given in the question. So it is a addition sum, okay. Like I will teach the addition, two addition story sums, so you do this sum very easily, okay. First write answer and first write English row equal to 36 and max row equal to 24 and add these two numbers, you get a total. Write total and you get the answer, that is called total. And the last sum you have to write, therefore the total number of books in English and max row equal to the answer. You get the answer, you have to write the answer, okay. That is called story sum, okay. I hope all are very clear about the story sums, okay. Do the homework very correctly and neatly, okay. Thank you.